Today we're going to show you how to grease your bucket truck using a Duralift DTAX2-39 as an example. Be sure to consult your operator's manual to identify any lubrication points and the recommended lubricant. Running equipment uses Mystic JT6 high temp grease on the PTO, multi-purpose grease for the rotation bearings and gearbox zerks, and gel lube spray for the boom pins. Because the rotation bearing and boom are used under conditions most likely to produce condensation, it is important to grease to lengthen the lifespan of your machine. On a Duralift DTAX2-39, it is recommended to lubricate the bearings weekly if you're using the unit daily. Otherwise, lubricate the bearings every 30 days. When greasing pedestal bearings, apply the grease and rotate the pedestal 360 degrees at the same time. Rotate clockwise for one bearing and counterclockwise for the other bearing. Lubricate the gearbox via the zerk. Next, use a spray lubricant on each of the pins at the boom connection points. If you notice any wear on your machine while greasing, call us to schedule a service appointment.